in front of his shop.
First day of cool.
Air conditioning.
Get it? Not school. First day of cool.
Oh.
It's terrible. I give up. This is how noisy it is in here when you're not going down the highway.
What?
Yeah, exactly.
I can only imagine when you're going down the highway.
Good morning, Bill of Power Hungry here. We're on our fat tour, Power Hungry across America, and it is day 2, Wednesday, August 6th, and we are leaving TS Performance this morning. We stopped last night, had dinner with Dennis and Sheila. You know, unfortunately, after 20 years, we still don't hate each other. You know, I don't know what anybody thinks, but anyway, thank you guys for your hospitality, and we are getting ready to leave and head up to CNC Fab up in Ohio. We've got our bus loaded up, Bronco attached, ready to go.
Welcome to the Ugly Bustling. How can I help you?
Hey, you ready to go get some grub and get on the road?
Am I ever?
Man, it's going to be a good day today. Gonna go hit CNC, go see Corey, and maybe actually finally get
A little scratch and squirt on this bus.
yeah, get some of this nastiness off of this bus. But I'll tell you, even as ugly as this bus is, every time we stopped, we had people checking it out.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was
really fun.
It was really interesting. So, yeah, part of me almost wanted to leave it like it is, but
it gets a lot of attention.
yeah, it sure does.
It's got a whole vibe.
It does. It's a very different vibe for sure. But anyway, well, off and on the road, and we'll get it going. All right, guys. Well, that's our morning today, and we will be on the road 65 north up to Ohio, and we'll catch up with you all later.
Ooh, karaoke?
Something we need to ask.
Those are done about medium, is that okay?
Now we've learned a lot about Team Key tonight.
Flex
You
those
each
muscles.
Had a confession. You each had a confession tonight. So I'll let you decide who's going to be the third confession of the night. Who's it going to be?
There we go.
Okay. Remember, all I need is your first name and confess your sin.
Well, that's why what I did. That's why whatever music your dad
He listened to, he had back CDs for his band. He subscribed to some shit.
Now, we've left beautiful Kentucky, and entered into this cesspool that is Indiana and their god awful frickin' roads. I hate this stupid state.